So here we have a full leg massager that's great for circulation and muscle relaxation, and of course it helps with pain relief. It has 3 heat modes and 3 intensities. It has a pressing mode, a kneading mode, and a shiatsu mode. And shiatsu is a specific massage, originates from Japan, and it utilizes the hands, thumb, or other body parts to apply direct pressure on various points. And let's just say it's pretty cool. And not only you get these modes, this also heats up. 3 heating levels available to suit your needs. It has a 20-minute timer with an auto shut off function. This way if you fall asleep while relaxing in this massager, it doesn't overdo it. So this is great for office workers who sit around on a desk all day, athletes, drivers, if you're driving all day, need some relief after work, and also good for elders who need a little bit of extra attention sometimes. So the 3 heat levels are 104 degrees, 113, and up to 122 degrees. And it's really adjustable. It's really one size fits all. Thighs up to 27 inches circumference, calves up to 19, and feet up to 14. If you're looking for a leg massager that does pretty much everything, I think this is a good deal.